Good evening, everybody. What's up? I hope everyone's like enjoying watching my vlogs. It is around 7 in the evening और आज शाम से लक्की पूजा is starting. So आज रात का 8 बजे से लेके कल रात का 10 बजे तक मुहूर्त है. So we will be doing the puja today in the night and as well as tomorrow in the morning. So यहाँ if you can see, my dad is actually decorating the entire place जहाँ पे लक्की पूजा होगा हम लोग का. एंड वी यूजुअली डोंट गेट एन आइडल बट एक हम लोग के पास में जो फोटो फ्रेम है उसमें ही वी डू द पूजा. एंड सो या आई जस्ट शो यू हाउ द सेटअप इज लुकिंग लाइक. राइट नाउ माई मंदिर हैज़ बीन lit up and dad is all busy decorating the place. Yeah, so he's lit up the entire place. देखिए मैंने बोला था ना वो धान का चीज़ वहाँ पे पापा हमेशा लटकाते. ये लास्ट ईयर का वाला धान है और इस साल का जो धान है दैट्स एक्चुअली गोइंग टू बी बिहाइंड लक्की माँ. सो या ही इज बिजी डेकोरेटिंग द प्लेस. Let him just decorate it and then we'll see how it looks like. So right now my dad is just like, put a little bit of lights and flowers all over the place for Ma Lokhi, and he is now settling the prasad and other stuffs that needs to be kept beside Ma Lokhi. So yeah, here's our Shivji. I am now sitting at my entrance and I'm going to light up my entrance with diyas. Even y'all do the same thing in order to welcome Ma Lokhi. My entrance is all lit up to welcome Ma Lokhi at my place. Keep our gates opened as much as we can and as late as we can in the night, and we'll always light it up with diyas in order to welcome Ma Lokhi. I hope even y'all are also like celebrating this day with joy and happiness and light up your entire house. This is how we've decorated Ma Lokhi. We've kept all the fruits there. Here we've kept the mithai. I told you that, remember khoi, muri laddu, naru is kept as the prasadam. This is again a hatri. In Sindhis we call it as hatri. In Hindi you must be calling it as matka. Inside this matka there's batasha and khoi. Again there are few fruits kept here. The dhan that we had taken, my father explained you in the previous vlog that we keep changing the dhan every year. And of course the sugarcane, fruit, some more mithai. And here is how we've decorated Ma Lokhi. Guys, it's around 2:30 in the night and I told y'all that we are going to be awake till 3:30 or maybe even 4 in the night. We always do that every year. My mom and I, we always do this. There is like a very important message that I wanted to like discuss it with you. There is like a comment that I received the other day in one of my vlogs, in one of my Navratri vlogs. if I specifically mention it, it's like my Dasera vlog. There was this message that one of my students from class 9 had written it. His name is Atharv, and he's beautifully expressed his thoughts on, women should not be regarded as weak. He's like, very beautifully he's written this message, and I would love to read what he's exactly written. And there are certain changes because it's like a very long message. I wanted to make it a short one, so yeah, I'll just read it out. Mahishasur made the same mistake that many older Indians unfortunately make today, thinking that women are weak. He couldn't get the boon of immortality from Brahmadev, so he asked instead for the boon that only a woman could kill him, with the reason that how could a woman whose hands ache from mere bangles hold a sword? In fact, Devi Durga went into battles holding several weapons while she was fully ornamented. Second fact, we always remember Lord Ram and celebrate his victory on Dasera. But Lord Ram himself got the power from Ma Adi Shakti to kill Ravan. He prayed and worshipped Adi Shakti for 9 days continuously, and on the 10th day he killed Ravan. Lord Ram got this energy and power from a woman to win over Ravan. These are these are certain instances that actually prove that even the male gods, or maybe I would say even the gods, basically worshipped women, and then they got that energy to do their work, and then they got that power to do the victory that they wanted to achieve. There are many people who feel that women are weak, but a woman can be a loving mother, can be a loving girl, can be very beautiful and very pretty, but she can take the form of a Chandika if, her near and dear ones are getting disturbed. So this is like a very beautiful message that has been written by one of my students. I request all of you to go through my Dasera vlog once again and read the comment section. He's beautifully expressed it and written it. Thank you so much, Atharv. Keep on commenting this way and expressing your views and thoughts. I would really appreciate to discuss it with my viewers. It's around 3:40 in the night, and the diya is still burning, and we are still awake for Maa Lokhi. So yeah, as I told you, it's around 3:40 in the night and the diya is still burning. My mom just went inside to sleep, and I'll also go to sleep now. This is like the Brahma Muhurat, and this is the time when you should actually pray, and Maa Lokhi will actually listen to you. With this, I end my vlog here. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will see you back again. Till the time, please enjoy the vlog that I have been making and keep supporting us. Bye bye.